Roku and The Trade Desk are two companies that are benefiting from more people watching content through streaming or connected television devices. Of course, they both also generate significant percentage of their overall company revenue from advertising, and advertising, I've said repeatedly, is one industry that I expect will grow in every 10-year period from now into eternity. To start the comparison, I wanted to look at revenue growth going back to 2015. Roku has increased its revenue from 300 million to 4.4 billion. That's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 32% in that time. Meanwhile, the Trade Desk has done better than that, even increasing its revenue from 100 million to 2.7 billion, which is good for a compounded annual growth rate of over 39% in that time. Looking forward, I expect the Trade Desk to generate better revenue growth than Roku, even though in the near term, Roku may exceed the Trade Desk because it's ramping a new segment where it's manufacturing and selling televisions. That could increase the company's revenue, but also hurt the company's profitability, as margins on television sets are likely to be less than margins in its platform segment, where it generates much larger revenue. Historically, the company's hardware segment, or player segment as it calls it, generates either very low or negative profit margins, and I wouldn't be surprised if its television sales are not generating very much in terms of margins, but the company's okay with that, because if someone buys their television that comes equipped with the Roku operating system, that will generate revenue for the company for many, many years, as the folks that are watching the content on that television will purchase streaming subscriptions and get shown advertising, and all of that will benefit Roku. Meanwhile, the Trade Desk is facing stiffer competition as Amazon and Netflix and others are encroaching on its space by offering inventory to its lucrative advertising supply, directly skipping the Trade Desk, and investors have become concerned how that could impact the Trade Desk longer term. Still, more and more people are watching more and more content through connected televisions, and the overall size of the pie continues increasing. The advertising industry estimated to reach $1 trillion, or roughly $1 trillion in annualized spending. And within that annualized $1 trillion in spending, digital advertising is increasing to take a much larger share. Click the link below to watch the full video.